Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix TikTok app not working on Realme mobile. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management and scroll down and search TikTok app from here. Click on TikTok app if you want to fix this problem. So click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After clear cache TikTok app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix TikTok app not working on Realme mobile. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.